Hey guys, this is Emmanuel with Funtown RV, and today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of the 2022 Coachmen Freedom Express 324RLDSLE. Let's go take a look. Hey, starting up front guys, we're going to have our electric tongue jack here, our dual propane tanks, our spare tire underneath the tongue here, and coming up we'll see our LED lights on the front cap, as well as our signature large window going into the bedroom. All right guys, along the side here, I want you to see our large dual awnings here along the side of this Coachmen Freedom Express. You're also going to notice a removable table we have here. This is also going to be where our griddle goes as well. That comes standard with your Freedom Express. This tucks away nicely in our pass-through storage here at the front. Guys, I want you to notice our axle setup here. This is not going to be your typical axle setup. The wheels are going to be a little bit more spaced out. This is going to be for ability to handle a lot better distribution of weight and things like that. That's an awesome feature that Coachmen included on this camper. We're also going to have electric jacks on the rear and at the front of the camper to make things super easy when we're setting up at the campsite. Underneath this awning here at the back, we're going to have a beautiful outdoor kitchen with a nice mini fridge and some extra counter space. Guys, before we check out the rear of this camper here, I want to mention our Facebook group. It's going to be Texas RV Buy, Sell, Trade Tips. This is going to be a great way for you to connect with the larger RV community and also save you thousands on your next camper. So go take a look. Standard on this camper, we have at the rear a large window that goes into our opposing slide living room, as well as a ladder for our fully walkable roof. Along the side here, we have our dump station. We have our primary hookups, including cable. We have an outdoor shower. We also have our valves here for emptying our tanks. These are going to be insulated, so that way when it's nice and frozen outside, these are not going to be affected one bit. Before we take a look inside, remember to keep an eye out next time you're at a Funtown RV location for our Camptown Outfitters. This is going to be the store where we have and sell all the accessories you're going to need for an RV or for your next camping trip. So keep an eye out for that, or go to mycamptown.com for our full inventory. All right guys, inside the camper here, you're gonna see the amount of space we have is dramatic. We have opposing super slides on each side of this Coachmen Freedom Express. Up at the front, we're gonna have a 50-inch TV. This is on a movable mount, so you can move it around depending on where you're sitting in this camper. Our control panel for our stereo, outside speakers, and inside speakers. Our heater, and it does light up. We also have storage underneath this heater as well. All right guys, and here we have the super comfortable Thomas Paine sofas. This is actually going to be made out of a sealed off material, so it's going to be very hard to stain this couch here. It's going to come heated with vibration and with lights installed as well. Super cool. Coming into the kitchen, we're going to have all our standard equipment. Our microwave, our high point microwave, some additional storage, our vent that's going to be above our stovetop, Magic Chef oven here, and even more storage coming back into the kitchen. Back here, we're going to have our Magic Chef 12-volt fridge. This is going to have plenty of space for all the things you need for your next trip. Here we are in our little dining nook. This is going to be in the super slide that we have. Also going to come with a removable table. We can take this table outside whenever we're camping, having a cookout there, or we can turn this deal into a bed, so that way we can have some extra sleeping space in the dinette. Guys, here in the restroom, we're going to have some great features, including a Dometic electric fan up top, a Dometic foot flush toilet, going to be angled for the maximum leg space in there, and also going to have a removable shower head in the sliding door shower that we have. In this master bedroom here, we're going to notice we're going to have a bedroom slide to offer additional space. It's nice and wide and spacious in this room here. A queen size bed. We have reading lights that come standard up above, blackout shades on all the windows in this room. All right guys, thank you for joining me on that walkthrough of this Freedom Express. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember, the fun starts here.